guys, today in this video you know about double 2 by 8 wood beam span. What are the span length for a double 2 by 8 wood beam? You have here wood beam. You know that in roof framing system it is horizontal members that provide support to floors and the roof area. And first we understand about the dimension for this wood beam. Here we make a rough diagram to understand about the wood beam. This one is the rough diagram. Suppose this one is the length of a span, you have to figure out, and this one is the width section of the beam, which is double 2 inches. This equal 4 inches, and this one is the depth section of the beam, which is equal as 8 inches. And the wood beam come in single ply, double ply or triple ply. And first you determine the span of the beam depends on many factors like the wood species. There are different kinds of wood used as dimensional lumber like DFL, SYP, SPF, that is southern yellow pine is a strongest species of wood. It can span more as compared to other species. And the second factor, that is expected loads, that may be 50 pound per square footage, 40 pound per square footage, consist of dead load and live load. And the third major factor, that is building code in your area. First we understand about the nominal size of this beam. Nominal size of this beam, a double 2 by 8 wood beam means 2 pieces of 2 by 8 inch dimensional lumber nailed together to form a double 2 by 8 wood beam. This can be also written as 4 inches by 8 inches dimensional lumber. This one is the nominal size, and you have to figure out the beam span. You calculate as per thumb rule. What are the thumb rule for a span length for the wood beam? The formula for a span length calculation, that is the nominal depth of the beam multiply 1.25. The nominal depth of beam, that is 8 inches multiply 1.25. This will come about 10 foot. It means a double 2 by 8 wood beam can span maximum distance of about 10 foot in length. Thank you.